Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Emmanuel Clever. I'm always excited, and I've always been excited to discuss with these success tips. We're just always looking for ways to make life more easier for ourselves, and that is why you need to subscribe to this particular channel, like my video, and then share our videos with your friends as well. We're building a community of successful people, and that is why you and I discuss success. It's today I forget my sorrow, no more cry, I dey go to borrow. Motivation, jubilations, finance team, them all come to play. For the best of books, success stories so good. Today, success with clever we no come to play. We're just going to look at how we can use the right Sonic to do many things that Chat GPT could not do. And if you know about Chat GPT or you don't know about Chat GPT, I made a video about Chat GPT, and then you can check out the video from this place. You can check out the video from this particular place, how you can use Chat GPT to do many other things for us. So this Chat GPT, and then Chat GPT actually helped us to do many things, just typing in few words and it generating more for us. That is amazing. I mean, typing in few words and how it can actually generate a lot of things for us. So let me say, type in something like, say, what is so now I just ask what is matter. You see how it's generating for me. How now matter refers to anything that has mass and occupies. This is how the Chat GPT actually works. But then the bigger difference between Chat GPT and Right Sonic, I mean, this is Chat GPT, this is the dashboard of Chat GPT, and this is what we call Right Sonic. And if you know about Right Sonic is the advanced form of Chat GPT. So it means that Right Sonic does more than what Chat GPT can do. Chatsonic actually does more than what ChatGPT can do. So if ChatGPT is able to, if I'm able to input keywords into ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is able to generate words for me, no matter the amount of words. So you can start a conversation here, study online for free, keys to academic success, be unique, not first, tax for money, and those kind of things. These are kind of things I searched with ChatGPT, and you can also do the same thing. But then with Sonic, the amazing Sonic does what ChatGPT cannot do. For instance, with ChatGPT only gives you, information in the form of words. But Sonic can go the extra mile of giving you pictures. And that is so amazing. So you can see best AI writer for creating, a lot of things for yourself. So for creating LinkedIn posts, you want to create LinkedIn posts, it's the best for you. For blog articles, if you're a writer, you write, for SEO content, for product descriptions, come on, this is so amazing. For Facebook ads, you can, it means that for Google ads, you can do a lot. Twitter tweets and those kind of things, you can just see it on the screen. For Instagram captions and the rest. So Sonic or writesonic.com is a platform that allows you to do more than what ChatGPT can do. Although it is produced, it was brought into existence by the same company that brought ChatGPT. And if you know about OpenAI is a company that brings out to the world market artificial intelligence platforms, and it is the same company that brought out Sonic. So now let's check how Sonic does amazingly what ChatGPT cannot do, and then how you as a student use it to learn one or two ways for yourselves. And then so if you can check ChatGPT. ChatGPT has some form of limitations. Let me show it to you. ChatGPT, limitations may occasionally generate incorrect information, may occasionally produce some whatever limited knowledge of world and events of 2021. But all these, most of these limitations are solved by Sonic. That is why I said it's the advanced form of ChatGPT. So now let's check out Sonic. Now we're clicking here, start writing for free. We are starting writing for free, and then we want to know how we can use Sonic to write many things for ourselves, and then make work and life more easier on the internet space. You preparing notes, you preparing scripts, whether you are a YouTuber, you want to write content, you are a blogger, you want to write articles, I mean, whatever you want to write, Writesonic actually got you covered. So just like I said, when you just dive more into it, Writesonic will ask you, I mean, with Chat GPT, let me check here. It's just about writing words, but with Writesonic, it gives you other options. Writesonic gives you other options, such as, let me show you here. I mean, it says use Chatsonic, just like, I mean, it says a chatbot like Chat GPT with but real-time data, images, and voice set. It means that Chatsonic here will do what Chat GPT will do, but then this one is more than a chatbot, but with real-time data, images. So Chatsonic can give you image that Chat GPT cannot do for you, and that is so amazing. Now we also have you can use the same Writesonic as an AI article writer. So if you are somebody that likes to write article, one of the things that you can check out for yourself is having Writesonic. Then you can use it to make your own AI. That is so amazing, perfect. That is the power of artificial intelligence. You're using Writesonic to create your own AI tool. I mean, you are a software engineering student, you are a computer engineering student. Come on, you are an IT student. What are you doing? This is one of the things that you can actually, I mean, one of the space you can actually explore and then do many things for yourself. And then if with the article, it can create up to 1,500 word articles in just 4 steps with a guided process. Then you can choose your own title, intro, and outline, and customize them as needed. That is perfect. That is actually perfect. Now let's move with it. So I mean, let's choose chat. We are just going to look at how it does amazing what Chat GPT cannot actually do. So that is the stuff you're going to look at right now. It's loading. So you can see it. I mean, this is it. So just like the interface of Chat, this is the interface of Chat GPT, and this is the interface of Chatsonic. So it's a two different things. This is the interface of Chat GPT, and this is the interface of Chatsonic. Now we are going to look at how we can use it to do things for yourself. So I mean, you can ask it complex questions and it will solve for you. You can create digital artwork, you can give voice commands. With Chat GPT, you can't speak out to it, but with Writesonic, you can speak out to Writesonic if you feel lazy to type, and it will type what you are saying and give answers as you guys. So this is where you need to type your words. You type in something, you click here, you search for it. If you think you can voice record it, you click on this space, then it will start recording what you have to record, and then it will give you what you actually want to have, have for yourself. So now these are some of the things that I actually did with Writesonic, and I'd like to share with you. Let's move on here. I mean, let me go up a bit. Sorry. Yeah, so I mean, I asked it, how has technology solved problems on good health and well-being? Just like ChatGPT, it gave me this answer. Technology has revolutionized the healthcare industry, contributing significantly to achieving the goal of good health and well-being. Telemedicine has made possible for medical professionals to remotely diagnose and treat patients, improving access to whatever. Just like that. I mean, that is so amazing. Then I said, create a slide. I said, create a slide and on how technology has solved problems, and then here's an example on how technology has solved problems related to good health and well-being. So the Writesonic was about creating a presentation slide, but unfortunately my network was not so good at the moment, so I mean I couldn't do it. Then I said I asked it how technology is revolutionizing good health and well-being, and then it was able to give me the answer. Then I also asked it, list 3 ways technology has made, I mean, anything that you ask it to give you answer, list 3 ways technology has made our life easier in our homes. It was able to solve it. Then I also asked it, yes. Then I said that it should generate a picture of matter for me. This is what makes Writesonic so amazing and then different from ChatGPT. Let me show you the ChatGPT so that you don't forget. There's the ChatGPT. This is the ChatGPT we're talking about. For that, it only brings words, but then Writesonic does amazing. So as ChatGPT cannot generate words, Writesonic is able to generate words for us. So I said generate a picture of matter for me, and you can see for yourself where this thing is going. I mean, it's generating a whole lot of things. I'm not the one who created this picture. It was created by Chatsonic itself, or Writesonic. And that is so amazing. That is the power of artificial intelligence. Now let's move on. I'll show you something that is so amazing. Don't be bored. Just be patient with me. We are here to show you a platform that actually makes life and then works so easier. Then I said, after saying it should generate a picture of matter for me, I said it should generate a picture of currency. And then see what this thing was showing me. It was showing me how currency is made in a factory. Wow. Now this assignment was given to me by my lecturer. I said, what is reinforcement? What is I said generate a picture of reinforcement, and then this the answer it gave me. Reinforcement refers to the process of strengthening a particular behavior by providing a consequence that increases the likelihood of that behavior being repeated in the future. Reinforcement can be either positive or negative. Now, positive reinforcement involves adding a desirable stimulus such as praise or reward, those kind of things. So basically, we're trying to, strengthen a behavior, but either say, let's say, introducing a reward to the person, and it will make, it will bring about a repetition of that reinforcement. Now, this is in the form of words. If it were to be in the form of Chat GPT, it would have provided it for me in just mere words form, just like it did for me in the matter stuff, just like it did for me here. So you see, here matter. When I asked about matter, it gave me words. But then with Chatsonic, when I asked about words, it was able to give me if I have a picture, the same matter. It was able to give me a picture of matter. Now, after giving me definition for reinforcement and explanations to reinforcement, it was able to generate for me pictures. Come on, that is what makes Chatsonic an amazing one. So everybody, man. What's your opinion, huh? And that is what makes Chatsonic an amazing one. After saying it should generate a picture of reinforcement for me, there's the picture generated for me. Artificial intelligence tool. So even if I don't know about reinforcement, I can just read what is here. I can just read reinforcement refers to the process of strengthening a particular behavior by blah blah blah, and then moving forward. Then I can come and look at the picture here, so I can know that okay, great, good or something like that. Then I can see the children here are being rewarded with something. So okay, I can read here, and then just as it says here that positive reinforcement involves adding a desirable stimulus such as praise or reward. Then I see the children with this thing here. So I'm just in a way looking at how you can give reward to somebody to strengthen the behavior of that person. And that is the power behind and with artificial intelligence. That is so amazing. That is also as it to generate a histogram showing height of students, and amazing. This what it gave me. Actually not that perfect and not what I was looking for, but it's more than able to help me understand what I'm actually looking for. So if you can, you can put in your words here. It gives you specific things. Write a Facebook ad for Chatsonic, it will give you answer. That is so amazing. It gives you answers, and maybe you want to regenerate response, you can click on here, and then that is so amazing. And then it has many features. You can try out 100 plus other features. If you want to start a new chat with it, that is it, you can also do it. And then your location, you can change your location. Right now it's in the United States. If you're in Switzerland, you are in Tanzania, Thailand, Togo, Tonga, Turkey, Uganda, wherever you are, you can change your location to fit how you want things and information to be provided for you. And that is the power of artificial intelligence tools. That is the power behind artificial intelligence tools. So basically this is the Chat GPT, and this is Chatsonic for you, the interface of Chatsonic. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to share with your friend, and above it all, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to help me grow. It has always been success with Clever, and we are more than able, we are more than excited to always discuss success.